Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when we see someone, especially we haven't seen for a little while, we certainly are going to ask, how are you lately, okay?
按叫好冇？
按叫好冇? And it could be yes, 好 or just好 means not good, all right? Let's say not too bad 好了，我们顺便教不要说只是好啊，就说还过得去了哦，还 not too bad，
马马虎虎啊
OK， 英文会说不是不好啦，就是也 OK 啦，
过得去啊。
对，好怎么说？好啊，过得去啊。
好啊，喊周的。
哦，喊周的就是
还可以啦
passing，
还过得去。
Okay, that means so not too bad. So why don't we go out and have dinner together? 那就干脆既然还不错，还过得去，我们就约一下啦。
有 money 可以吃饭。
对，好，我请客，可以吗
？OK。
还要加这一句，我才能问说晚上一起去吃饭吗？All right, I was asking Alice, let's just go out and have dinner together. And she says, if I'm treating, yes. Sure, I'll treat her anytime. But let's teach you how to say, let's go have a meal together tonight. 晚上一起吃饭吧。
安补鸭，穷哈是鸭啦。
哦，很多鸭。
安补鸭就是晚上。
安补鸭 that means tonight.
穷哈是鸭啦。
穷哈一起嘛，对不对？ That means together. 是鸭啦。Okay, 是鸭 again is dinner.
吃饭了。
Okay, 吃饭，
就
吃晚饭的意思了。
那如果是海陆腔，吃晚饭就是渣。
是渣。Okay, now how about maybe on the weekend? I just want to play ball with you. Let's go out and exercise, do some sports together. 周六去打球好吗？
拜六。
拜六 that means this Saturday.
去打球的好冇？
去打球的好冇 Okay, 打球就打球。In Chinese, in Hakka, in Mandarin, 打球 literally means hit ball, and that means play ball. And it could be anything, from tennis to basketball to baseball. Just in general, it means play ball, okay?
拜六去打球的好冇？
拜六去打球的好冇？ Let's review these vocabulary. 还过得去 so 啦。
喊周的。
喊周的 And then let's have dinner. 吃饭，吃晚饭。
是鸭。
是鸭 And to play ball. 打球。
打球的。
打球的 These are all great things to do together with your friends. And let's review the phrase or the dialogue. 最近好吗? How are you lately?
按叫好冇？
按叫好冇 And it could be 好 or 唔好 meaning good or not so good. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母胎嘎。
按字say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.